here, Paulo. Welcome to the show. Good luck to you. Next prize, please.
A new steam shower. This spacious Rainforest 31 steam shower features acupressure massage, high-quality speaker system, and a hands-free telephone from MyBathUSA.com.
All right, thank you very much, Rachel. Paula, what do you say?
$1,500.
$1,500. Good luck to you. Natalie.
$2,300.
$2,300. Good luck to you. Pamela.
$2,800.
$2,800. Jared.
I'm going to go sweet 2301.
2301. It's her birthday. Oh, never mind. Natalie, nobody cares it's your birthday when you get the contestants right.
I don't care.
It's dog eat dog up here, man. Actual retail price, $23.99. Jared, come on up here. Look at that shirt. Look how good that shirt is. Somebody in the back give you the good bid? Is there one of your friends give you the good bid in the back? No, pay close attention to that friend while you're playing this game. That could come in handy. Steve, tell them what the prize is.